I found this cute little guy stuck in the grill of my truck. I initially thought he was long since dead, but turns out he was actually okay.
And he's alive. Guess I'll have to work on this. Alive. He just needed to be unstuck is all. Tell you what, I'm going to take you over somewhere here. Okay, now we're over to a spot where maybe he can relax for a little while here. All right, guy, you ready? I'm going to put you down, and you're going to fly away, right? Maybe? You look kind of stunned, but you might be okay. Good luck to you.